Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Let's read a story together. The story's title is How to Improve Your English. Please repeat behind me. How to improve your English. Samira was a college student who wanted to improve her English skills. She loved reading books, watching movies, and listening to music in English. But she felt shy and nervous when it came to speaking or writing in English. She often made mistakes and felt embarrassed. One day, she decided to join an online English club where she could chat with other learners and native speakers from different countries. She was hesitant at first, but she soon realized that everyone was friendly and supportive. They corrected her mistakes gently and gave her useful feedback. They also shared their tips and resources for learning English. Samira enjoyed the conversations and learned a lot from them. She also started to practice her writing skills by posting stories, essays, and comments on the club's website. She received positive comments and encouragement from other members. She felt more confident and motivated to improve her English. She also noticed that her English skills improved in other areas as well. She could understand more words and expressions when she read books or watched movies. She could speak more fluently and accurately. When she had to give presentations or participate in discussions in her classes, she would express her thoughts and opinions more clearly and persuasively. In her writing assignments, Samira was happy and proud of her progress. She realized that the best way to improve her English was to use as much as possible and to learn from her mistakes and feedback. She also realized that learning English was fun and rewarding and that it how to improve your English. Samira was a college student who wanted to improve her English skills. She loved reading books, watching movies, and listening to music in English, but she felt shy and nervous. I hope you enjoyed the story, How to Improve Your English. My suggestion is to watch the video again to improve your English. Thank you. Bye.